Making homemade candles is a delightful blend of creativity and relaxation. First, gather your supplies: wax, wicks, a double boiler, and your favorite scents. I love using soy wax because it burns clean and holds fragrance beautifully. Start by melting the wax in the double boiler. It's crucial to keep the temperature around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's melting, prepare your containers. You can use anything from mason jars to teacups. Get creative. Once the wax is melted, it's time to add fragrance. I usually go for about 1 ounce of essential oil per pound of wax. Stir it in gently, and you'll notice the aroma filling the air. Now, secure your wick in the center of your container using a bit of melted wax or a wick sticker. Carefully pour the melted wax into your container, leaving a little space at the top. Let the candles cool for a few hours. Once they're solid, trim the wick to about 1/4 inch. And there you have it.